G'day, my name's Glenn Morris from the Smart Energy Lab, and today in What's in the Box, we've got something pretty big. In fact, it's so big, I had to drag it into my studio to unbox it. And look, I'm pretty impressed by this. As you can see, this is a solar panel. This is from a company called Solaria. Now, Solaria, you might not have heard of them, but actually they're a Californian-based company, started over 21 years ago. So they're not new kids on the block. They've been making solar panels for a long time. These particular panels are made in South Korea, and they just look awesome. I mean, I really love the all-black shingled mono PERC as a type of module. There's no kind of wasted areas. There's no little gaps around the side where you can see the back sheet, etc. It's just an awesome look altogether. So first up, being a shingled mono PERC, they get a really high panel efficiency, 20.2%. And that's because there's no gaps between the cells. It's basically all productive, active material that's sitting on the front of these panels. They come with a 25-year product and power warranty. Now, that's important. That's a really big deal. Many modules have power warranties of a similar age, but it's actually the product warranty that matters. That means if the back sheet falls off, and if the screws come out the side, and if the leads start to fail, you are covered for up to 25 years. Power warranty is only the output power with a derating curve. So really, that puts them in the top of the pack for long-term warranty. So well done, Solaria, for offering that 25-year product and power warranty. I really love the unified black look. It's all black. Everywhere you look, it's black. There's no bus bars. There's no inactive spots. It's just all cells producing renewable energy. That's just great. Now, there's another thing about the design of these modules that I really like too, is the way it's got 4 bypass diodes. Now, the bypass diodes are in quadrants. So there's 4 quadrants to these panels, and each quadrant works independently of every other quadrant when it comes to shade tolerance. Now, normally a conventional solar panel has, 2 or 3 bypass diodes, and they generally will divide the module up into 3 long vertical sections. And that means if you get shading across the short side of a conventional solar module, it's all off, game's off, full bypass. Whereas with a quadrant-based bypass diode system, it only affects the particular quadrant that's shaded, and it's unlikely you get all 4 quadrants shaded unless it's complete shade, and then game's over. There's no production anyway. So I really like this approach to bypass diodes. Now, there's a white paper. Look, I'll link it in the description below, and you can read all about the technical specifications of these modules. So there's a couple other things I'd like to mention. They have a black back sheet. Now, normally people go, well, actually a white back sheet is preferred because you get bounce off any light that goes through from the front to the rear of the cell, and it bounces back off the white back sheet. But because these are full shingled coverage, there is no gaps for that light to leak through. So a black back sheet has no performance degradation on these modules at all. The modules are 40 millimeters thick, so your standard 40 millimeter fixings is all you need. And they suit either landscape or portrait mounting with a centralized junction box and 1 meter lead. So you can basically choose how you put them on a roof in portrait or landscape. So anyway, thanks to Solaria for sending me this module. I really love the look of it, and I'm looking forward to sticking it in the sun and making it do some work. Thanks very much.